Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact EA Sports live chat support in just a few simple steps. Whether you have questions about your game, account, or need assistance with a purchase, this guide will walk you through the entire process. First, make sure you're on your desktop or laptop. Open Google and search for EA Sports FC. Click on the official website link from the search results. Once the website loads, you'll see your dashboard where all the main options are displayed. Next, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page where you'll find the Help Center link. Click on it to access support options. Here, you'll notice two main categories: game support and account support. If you need help with account-related issues like changing your email, updating your password, linking accounts, or security questions, you can select Account Support. You'll see several options to choose from, so pick the one that matches your issue. However, if you want to chat directly with support regarding your game or live assistance, click on Game Support. Scroll down and select EA Sports FC24. From here, you can either search for your related topic using the search bar or click on one of the suggested topics. For example, if you want to check your order status, select that option. A form will appear where you need to enter your first name, last name, email address, and the platform you're using. You can also write a subject describing your issue, add any relevant attachments, and then click Send. Once you submit the form, you'll receive a notification with your estimated wait time, which is usually just a minute. After that, a live support agent will connect with you to help resolve your issue quickly. And that's it. You now know how to contact EA Sports live chat support easily and efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides and tips in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.